Your gut bacteria controls more than digestion. Your sinus health, your joint health, your weight, your craving. Most people think that gut bacteria only matter if you're bloated or constipated or dealing with irritable bowel syndrome. But what if I told you your sinus infections, your joint pain, your kidney stones, allergies, asthma, sugar cravings, food cravings, and even weight struggles may all trace back to your gut health and gut microbiome? Hi, I'm Dr. Eskandari, aka Dr. Melody DC, functional medicine health coach and certified Walls autoimmune coach. Today, I want to unpack the insights from an interview with a well known microbiologist, Dr. Krishnan. One of the biggest misconceptions in medicine is that symptoms are local. See, your gut isn't just a digestive tract or tube, it is a home to 70 to 80% of your immune system, a major regulator of inflammation, a signaling hub for the brain, for the joints, skin, lungs, and hormones. The gut lining, your mucosal tissue, mirrors mucosal tissue throughout the body. Your sinuses, your lungs, your genital tract, skin. So when your gut mucosa is inflamed, reactive, or imbalanced, those tissues other tissues often follow, like your sinuses, your skin, everywhere. Dr. Krishnan highlights something we see all the time clinically. Chronic sinus infections, allergies, asthmas, and even weight issues don't originate in the sinuses or lungs or gut. They reflect an overactive first line of defense called the innate immune response. Inflamed gut mucosa, inflamed gut bacteria. And here is why unnecessary antibiotic use often backfire. They may temporarily suppress the symptoms, but they damage the gut microbial diversity, good and bad, increasing inflammation, long-term including in the sinuses. See, in Europe, a specific probiotic strain is used for children for decades with recurrent respiratory infections, not to treat the lungs directly, but to restore gut immune balance. One of the most surprising connections for many is also joint pain. Many people with knee pain, stiffness, or rheumatoid arthritis type symptoms never think, maybe my gut is driving this. Autoimmune and inflammatory joint conditions are deeply tied to intestinal permeability, immune dysfunction, and microbial imbalance. So now fixing the gut often reduces joint pain more effectively than supplements alone, injections alone, and even surgery in some cases. Because the root cause isn't mechanical, it is immune driven. This one really opens people's eye, and even me. There's a beneficial gut bacteria called Oxalobacter. What is its job? Its job is breaking down oxalate from food. See, oxalates are in most green leafy vegetables, like let's say spinach and kale, can bind to minerals like calcium and may lead to kidney stone formation in some sensitive individuals. When this bacteria, Oxalobacter, is lost, often due to repeated use of antibiotics, that leads to preventing the oxalate absorption into the blood. So oxalate accumulates and form just like crystals inside the kidney and called kidney stones. This explains why dietary restrictions alone often fails. See, kidney stones can occur again despite doing everything right. Sometimes even missing is the missing piece. Isn't what you're eating, it is what is missing in your gut, which is microbiome. This is really huge, especially for people who feel blamed for their weight also. See, research now clearly shows that some unfriendly microbiome pattern extract more calories from the same food, promote more fat storage, drive cravings, sugar cravings, and appetite signalings, wrong signalings. See, two people can eat the same food, the same meal, but one absorbs significantly more calories due to their gut bacteria, gut diversity of bacteria. See, certain bacteria can influence the brain producing neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are the chemical messengers that are transmitting signals from one nerve cell to another. So these neurotransmitters increase sugar craving. That sweet tooth that we say all the time is like a moral failure. It is often a microbial demand. If you have tried every diet, exercised every day, eaten clean food, still struggle with symptoms like weight, it may not be the willpower alone. It may be microbes, microbiome ecology in your gut. See, healing requires restoring microbial diversity, reducing the inflammation in the gut, and supporting the mucosal immunity, feeding beneficial bacteria consistently. This is why gut health is foundational in metabolic wellness, autoimmune recovery, and long-term resilience. See, healing starts from within and often starts from the gut.